Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. In this video we have this nice exponential equation over here and we want to find all the possible values of x that can satisfy this equation. But before we start, kindly take note of this. X can never be negative number because square root of a negative number, for instance -1, is going to give us undefined. And then here x can also not be equal to 0. So when we fix 0 over here, we are going to have 0 exponent the root of 0, which is going to give us 0 exponent 0. And then 0 exponent 0 is indeterminate. So in this case, 0 and the negative numbers are ruled out as answer for x. So if today is your first time on our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment as well. Okay, let's start. Now here we are going to take natural logarithm of both sides. So when we do that, we are going to have the natural log of x exponent the square root of x is equal to the natural log of the square root of x exponent x. Using the property of logarithm, we can bring the exponent over here in front of the natural log. So when we do that, we are going to have the square root of x times the natural log of x is equal to, here we can do same over here, x times the natural log of x of the square root of x. So over here, the right hand side, we can write the square root of s as s times the ln of s to the power 1 over 2. So this will be equal to, here we have exponent over here, so using the same property that I use over here, we can bring half in front of the natural log. So when we do that, we are going to have s times 1 over 2 multiplying the log of x. So this will be equal to the square root of s times the natural log of x is equal to that. So here we are going to have a square root of x times the natural log of x is equal to x on 2 times the natural log of x. So over here, let's bring everything to the left hand side. So when we do that, we are going to have the square root of x times the natural log of x minus x on 2 times the natural log of x is equal to 0. So here we have natural log of x in common, so we are going to factorize natural log of x out. So when we do that, we are going to have natural log of x out. Here we'll be left with the square root of x minus, and then here we'll be left with x over 2. So this will be equal to 0. So here we have two factors and are equal to 0. So we are going to equate this to 0, then this also to 0. So we are going to have the ln of x is equal to 0, and then square root of x minus x on 2 also equal to 0. So here, by definition, the natural log is to the base e. So we are going to have something like x to the base e is equal to 0. And then with the property of logarithm, we are going to have x to be equal to e exponent 0, and then x will be equal to 1. So here, let's transpose the second term to the right hand side. So when we do that, you are going to have the square root of x is equal to x on 2. So we want to clear off this square root. So we are going to square both sides. Square both sides, we are going to have this squared and then this squared. So 2 will cancel the square root. So we're left with x is equal to x squared over 4. In order to get rid of this fraction, we are going to multiply through by 4. So multiplying 2 by 4, we are going to have 4x is equal to x squared. And then here, we can divide the equation by x. So dividing through by x, x will take care of x, and then x will take care of x over here, so we'll be left with 1. So x will be equal to 4. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 are the two answers for x. So you can fix that one over here and let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.